Hello everyone. Let me show you how to fix blank or white icons on Windows. This issue usually happens when the icon cache gets corrupted, but the good news is it's easy to fix in just a couple of steps. Step 1. Delete the icon cache. Right-click the Start button and select Run. In the Run box, type App Data and click OK. This will open the App Data folder. If you don't see folders like Local, Local-Lo, or Roaming, click on the View tab at the top and make sure Hidden Items is checked. Now open the Local folder. Scroll down and look for a file called Icon Cache or similar. Right-click on it and select Delete. Step 2. Restart Windows Explorer. Next, right-click the Start button again and open Task Manager. Scroll down under Processes until you find Windows Explorer. Right-click on it and select Restart. If you don't see it right away, check under the Windows Processes section. After this, your icon should refresh and display correctly again. And that's it, your blank icon issue should now be fixed.